What's up, guys? Back to another YouTube here, and we're back with another video. And today, we are here with the advent calendar. That's right. And I know I look like a kid with a bald cut on right now, but yeah, let's get straight into this. All right. So, yeah, I just opened it. I didn't open the thing, but that's the advent calendar 2019. And we had to open 2 days since I wasn't recording the other day because it didn't work. So, let's open number 1. It goes to 25 days, and let's open 2. So, let's open number 1 first. No, what's in number 1? The Imperial ship, I'm guessing. Let's see this. Let's build it, guys. Wait, yeah, let's build it. Alright. Let's do that. Oh, this might take me a while, guys. Wait, let's do that. Then let's put a little bit of 2 little pieces over here. Then, I like how they give you no instructions. It's very, very funny, isn't it now? Because they should give you instructions, but nope. I guess everyone is a jerk. Alright, let's put that, and we should almost have it. Put that right there, and skadoosh, and we are supposed to put that on there, and this right here, and I was right. The Imperial shuttle. Now, guys, we're finished with that one. Now for number 2. Where is number 2? Is it now? Where is it? Where is that little rascal? There we go. But no, not number 18. Number 2. Let's open up number 2 and let's see what we got. Oh, these are hard to open. These are super hard to open. And we have sorry, I dropped my AirPod. We have another build. Wait, is this a build or a person? I can't. Nope, it's a build. Alright, so let's see this build. This build turns out to be. You guys know the Kylo Ren fighter thing? If you don't, I'll just show you. Kylo Ren fighter, yeah. And let's go. Dig straight in. Alright, so you are supposed to. I wish I had the power of movie magic, because if I did, I'd probably be editing right now. So it'll go a lot more faster and the video would be a lot more quick. But no, I don't know how to edit. Oh yeah, and I forgot to shout out someone in the last video. Shout out to Chris's channel. Shout out to the Royal Clan out there. And shout out to Antonio because he wanted me to shout him out. Let's do that. Let's do that, and let's put that there. Put that there. Got it. Wait. Yeah, it goes right there. Alright, so that goes there. That goes there. This shall go right over there. Hey, I think we're doing good so far. Hey, let's go. Put that and that over here. Alright, so let's get that. That would be over here. Then this would be over here. And we got him. I think this is called the Star Destroyer. I never watched Star Wars in a long time. And then something from Kylo Ren's ship. That thing from Kylo Ren's ship. So yeah, tomorrow I will make another video of this, and peace.